Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at a conversation at a doctor's clinic. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a patient and a doctor. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, here's a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Question: what advice does the doctor give to the patient? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. All right, let's begin.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat. How can I help you today?
Thank you. I haven't been feeling well for the past few days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me your symptoms?
Yes, I have a headache, a sore throat, and I feel very tired.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. I feel warm and weak.
Okay, let me check your temperature. You do have a mild fever.
I was worried about that.
Do you have a cough or difficulty breathing?
No, I don't have a cough. My breathing is normal.
That's good. Have you taken any medicine?
No, I wanted to see a doctor first.
That was a good decision.
I've also been feeling very tired and weak.
That is common when you have a fever. Your body needs rest.
Do you think it's serious?
No, it looks like a common viral infection. It is not serious, but you need to take care of yourself.
That's a relief.
I will give you some medicine to help reduce the fever and relieve your pain.
Thank you. How should I take the medicine?
Take 1 tablet after meals and drink plenty of water.
Okay. Is there anything else I should do?
Yes, get enough rest, avoid cold drinks, and try to eat light and healthy food.
Should I stay at home?
Yes, it is better to rest at home for a few days.
I understand. I have one more question.
Of course.
How long will it take to feel better?
You should start feeling better in a few days if you follow the advice.
Okay, I will follow your instructions.
If your symptoms get worse, please come back or visit a hospital.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, doctor. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
So, that was a conversation at the doctor's clinic. Now here is the question again. What advice does the doctor give to the patient? Did you find the answer? Please write it in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will bring more slow and easy English conversations for you. See you next time. Goodbye.